Hi, my name is Gary Frank. I'd like to give you a brief look at a WPF program that I wrote in C#. Its purpose is to run a barcode machine. The program has the essential WPF elements such as commanding, and it's written using the MVVM design pattern. As you see the screen here, we have just a few controls. But if I click on this particular job, other controls become visible. So that illustrates that these controls are bound to particular state variable properties. It uses value converters to set the visibility of these controls. I'll go to run this job, or we'll first load some barcodes. Load barcodes. I select a file and pick one that has 100 barcodes. Now you can see that this control popped up based on context. Load the barcodes. And there you go. Now we'll go back to the job page. And at this point, the barcodes are loaded. We can run this job. So let's run it. There's just one thing we can do here. That's start this job. So this control says start. We'll click it. Now it's interfacing with the barcode machine. I'll stop it. Now it's just doing a simulation, of course, not really interfacing. But as we go, the barcode machine is talking to, or the program is talking to the barcode machine using TCP. Again, that's a simulation, but it's sending stuff out, it's coming back and displaying all of this debugging information. It is running as a separate thread. The user interface has a particular thread. The guts of what it's doing is a different thread, and that makes the user interface nice and responsive and allows the machine to keep doing what it's meant to do. Okay, now we'll just exit out of here. Now for a quick look at how the code is structured. This is an MVVM design pattern, so we've got three basic things: the view model, and the data portion, the model. If we look at the view has several views which correspond to pages. It also contains a lot of things I like to use, which are value converters. And that sets the visibility of controls based on state variables that they're bound to. I can also set other parameters of controls as well. We've got a view model which contains one piece of code for each view or each major function that doesn't correspond to a view. And then we have the data portion. If I go and take a look at, we're looking at one piece of data that talks to the database. It uses ADO.NET. So essentially, that's how this program is put together. I really like using WPF. You can create great user interfaces with it, and you can separate the core code from that. It produces pretty nice programs.